Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the precise configuration steps required to entirely fix the frustrating Ryujinx error RYU-0001 keys not found from halting your emulation experience. This common startup error triggers because the application requires encryption keys extracted directly from a physical console to decrypt and read your game library files, and it cannot function without them properly placed in the system architecture. To resolve this problem instantly, your first objective is to open the emulation software dashboard. Head up to the top navigation toolbar, click on the File menu, and select the Open Ryujinx folder option from the drop-down menu layout. This command will automatically open a hidden folder on your computer, where you need to locate and double-click the specific folder labeled System. Next, you must source a compatible, updated set of production keys. Copy the specific file named prod.keys and paste it directly inside that open System folder, replacing any corrupted or outdated placeholders that might be lingering there. If your game still refused to show up on the central dashboard after moving the file, go back into the main emulator settings, navigate to the Tools menu, select the option to install firmware, and flash the matching firmware update package that corresponds exactly to the version of your newly pasted keys. Finally, fully close out of the application, restart your computer to ensure all system memory cache lines are cleared, launch the program with full administrator privileges, and your entire emulation library will load up seamlessly without encountering any further system validation blocks. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.